Hi, welcome back to 11 Pass. So this is design 4 today. So as you've seen it in the picture above, this is what we are doing today. Remember to notch your thread well. You pick 6 beads, go down in the front, come to the side of 3 beads, straighten it, then pass your needle down. You continue the same method over and over again till you get to the edge of the design you are creating, either on a neckline or hem. Just keep going until you've got your desired result. After that, you turn to the back. That is if you are working on a short stitches like me. If you are not, you notch it at the last place you ended and start on the second line. Continue the same method by picking 6 beads, coming to the side of 3. Continue the same method all through. If you don't continue from the back, your design is going to change, creating another design entirely. Remember, 6 beads, come to the side of 3. After you're done, if the fabric you are beading on is not already lined, you will have to go to the back to end it. Remember that. You can see I've finished this design here, so you end it here and notch. But if it's already lined, the fabric is already lined, you come to a place where the thread can hide beneath the beads, you notch and cut it off. Use a lighter to just burn the tip off like that and push the remaining thread in case it's still showing. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Love